I play guitar and fiddle and tenor banjo, and Mairearad here plays the piano, accordion and the Great Highland bagpipe. We've both listened to a bit of Irish music over the years and stuff, you know, and it's lovely to come and experience a bit of that, so we're looking forward to catching up with some folk along the way as well.
On stage we have 5 instruments.
Yeah.
And we've started doing some songs, so that's quite a lot to carry between the two of us. For me, I love playing the piano, and I do a lot of composition on the piano at the house, but then the accordion is probably more fun.
I think the guitar is my favourite, just in terms of scope. You can be just sort of bashing out some chords or playing the melody, and it's got such a big dynamic range as well. And you can play any style on it as well, so I really like the freedom that it allows. I think certainly the traditional scene in Scotland, the folk scene at the moment, is really strong in terms of people researching old music, looking at music from their areas, looking at old songs. There's a brilliant couple of resources. There's one called Cultúrlann which is Kist of Riches. It's an online thing, and they just have years and years worth of recordings, field recordings and music available, so people can find that and then team it up with modern recording techniques or composition techniques, or just play old songs and old tunes, but constantly moving it forward. So I think it's imperative that we keep that as part of our culture.
We love listening to Beyonce.
Yeah. So a local newspaper at home in the Highlands of Scotland had the headline, "Mairearad and Anna are on the road with Beyonce." So I think Best Thing I Never Had is about my favourite pop song of the moment.